The Reserve Bank MPC decided by a majority of 5-1 to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. Consequently, the standing deposit facility, that is the SDF, rate remains at 6.25%, and the marginal standing facility, that is the MSF rate, remains at MSF rate and the bank rate, they remain at 6.75%. A majority of 5 out of 6 members to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns to the target while supporting growth. I shall now briefly set out the rationale for these decisions. Since the last policy, the growth inflation dynamics have played out favorably. Growth has continued to sustain its momentum, surpassing all projections. Headline inflation has eased to 5.1% during both January and February, and this has come down to 5.1% in these 2 months from the earlier peak of 5.7% in the month of December. Core inflation has also declined steadily over the past 9 months to its lowest level in the series. The fuel component of CPI remained in deflation for 6 consecutive months. Food inflation pressures, however, accentuated in February. Looking ahead, robust growth prospects provide the policy space to remain focused on inflation and ensure its descent to the target of 4%. As the uncertainties in food prices relates to enabling UPI for cash deposit facility. Deposit of cash through cash deposit machines, that is CDMs, is primarily being done through the use of debit cards. Given the experience gained from cardless cash withdrawal using UPI at the ATMs, it is now proposed to facilitate deposit of cash in CDMs, that is in the cash deposit machines, using UPI. This measure will further enhance customer convenience and make currency handling process at banks more efficient. And the next announcement relates to, I have 2 more announcements and I shall be quick. Next announcement relates to UPI access for prepaid instruments through third-party apps. At present, UPI payments from prepaid payment instruments, that is PPIs, can be made only by using the web or mobile app provided by the PPI issuer itself.